Hey, and welcome to this really short yoga session for calming your mind. This is especially for you if you are working at the office and experience hectic lifestyle. So this is for calming your mind. So come onto your Tadasana. Inhale your arms up over your head, do a little back bend. Exhale, come to your forward fold. Bring your palms onto your mat. Inhale, straighten your back, step back on your mat and reach your arms over your head, do a little back bend. Exhale, bring your palms onto your mat, step your right leg back to plank. Bring your knees down, chest and chin down. Inhale your cobra, shoulders back and down, and come to your downward facing dog or mountain pose. It's the same pose actually. And then step your left leg to the front of your mat, bring your right knee down, inhaling your arms over your head, again doing a little back bend. Exhale your arms down onto your mat, step to the front of your mat, and then come on to your forward fold. Inhale your arms up, look up, and return to your Tadasana. And second round, inhale your arms up, look up, do a little back bend. Exhale, come to your forward fold. Inhale, straighten your back, step back with your right leg. Bring your knee down. And bring your arms over your head, do a little back bend. Bring your palms onto your mat, step back to plank. And then bring your knees down, chin and chest down. Inhaling your cobra. And exhale, come to your down dog or your mountain pose. Bring your feet together here. Again, inhale. Step your right leg to the front of your mat. Bring your left knee down. And reach your arms over your head. Exhale, bring your palms onto your mat. Inhale, step to the front of your mat, straighten your back. Exhale, come to your forward fold. And then inhaling your arms up, look up, do a little back bend if that feels good. And exhale, come to your Tadasana. That's one round. 2 more like this. Arms over your head, do a little back bend. From there, bring your palms down onto your mat. Come to your forward fold. From there, straighten your back, step back with your left leg, bring the knee down. Reach your arms over your head, do a little back bend. Bringing your palms down onto your mat. Stepping your right leg back to plank. Bringing your knees down, bring your chest and chin down. And from there, come to your cobra. And your down dog. Left leg steps to the front of your mat, bring your right knee down, reach your arms over your head, do a little back bend. And then bring your palms down onto your mat. Step to the front of your mat, straighten your back, come to your forward fold. And then inhaling your arms up over your head, do back bend. And bring your palms down onto your heart center. Switching sides. Arms over your head, doing a little back bend. From there, coming to your forward fold, bringing your palms onto your mat. Straightening your back, stepping back with your right leg, bringing your knee down. Reaching your arms over your head, do a little back bend. Bringing your palms down onto your mat. Stepping back to plank. Bringing your knees down onto your mat. Chin and chest down. Come into your cobra. And switching to your down dog. And from there, stepping your right leg to the front of your mat, bringing your knee down. Reaching your arms over your head, doing back bend. Bringing your palms down onto your mat. Stepping your left leg to the front of your mat, straightening your back and coming to your forward fold after that. Reaching your arms over your head, back bend, and coming to your Tadasana. Last round. Arms up over your head, back bend, coming down to your forward fold. Straightening your back, stepping back with your left leg, bringing your knee down, reaching your arms over your head, back bend. And from there, bringing your palms down, stepping back with your right leg to your plank, bringing your knees down, chin and chest down. Coming to your cobra, shoulders back and down, gaze up, and your down dog. And stepping to the front of your mat with your left leg, right knee down, reaching your arms over your head. Again, doing back bend. Bringing your palms down onto your mat, stepping your right leg to the front of your mat. Come to your forward fold. Reaching your arms up over your head, back bending and returning your Tadasana. Other side. Arms up over your head, do a little back bend. From there, come to your forward fold, bringing your palms onto your mat. Straighten your back, step back with your right leg, bring your right knee down. And reach your arms over your head, back bending, bringing your palms onto your mat, stepping back with your left leg to your plank, knees down, chest and chin down, coming to your cobra, and your down dog. And then stepping your right leg to the front of your mat, bringing your left knee down, reaching your arms over your head. Last back bend. Oh, not last one actually. Bring your palms onto your mat and step to the front of your mat. Come to your forward fold. And now the last back bend. So bring your palms over your head. Do that back bend and return your palms onto your heart center. And that is it for this practice. So you can practice as many rounds as you want, but this is really calming exercise. So I really recommend you doing this in the evening. You can of course do like some of the opening poses where you are doing those back bends. You can do those during your work day, but this is really calming and soothing sequence, so I really recommend you do this in the evening. And yeah, that is it today, and remember to comment, like and subscribe to this channel, and I see you again next time. Bye bye.